Clear. Our new television has a very clear picture. Close. Mira is one of my closest friends. Crazy. You're crazy to rent the place without seeing it first. Cruel. Don't tease him about his weight. It's cruel. Delicious. That was a delicious lunch. Thank you. Disgusting. I'd like to clean up your room this afternoon. It's a disgusting mess. Eager. Lots of eager volunteers responded to the appeal for help. Ancient. People have lived in this valley since ancient times. Cuddly. But whatever you do, he says, don't go for the cute and cuddly. Clumsy. That's the third class you've smashed this week. You are so clumsy. Diligent. The discovery was made after years of diligent research. Downright. She's been downright unhelpful and obstructive. Dramatic. We watched scenes of the dramatic rescue on the news. Embarrassed. I was too embarrassed to admit I was wrong. Exotic. You speak of blackberry and other exotic things. Fancy. The decorations were a little too fancy for my tastes. Famous. He carries on an affair with a famous actress. Boring. The movie was so boring I fell asleep. Exhausted. By the time they reached the summit, they were exhausted. Funny. She told me a funny story about Max. Glorious. They had glorious weather for their wedding. Harsh. There is no alternative, he said in a harsh voice. Jealous. I'm so jealous that she's going to that concert. Loose. We're comfortable loose clothing to your exercise class. Loud. I heard a loud bang and then saw black smoke.